Next, we will create a chart and place it on our dashboard. But before we do just that, you may have noticed we have a new toolbar at the bottom of our dashboard. These are actually two separate UI items, the editor menu and the item toolbar, that only show up while we are editing dashboards. Click the Item Wizard button in the editor menu to bring up the Item Wizard pane. The Item Wizard pane is one of the guided analysis tools within MotionBoard that helps users fulfill a specific task. In this case, the Item Wizard will help us create our chart. We need to specify our data source. On the Connect to pull-down list, choose Board Private Text. Then, click the Upload CSV button and locate the file named areasales.csv. After you upload the CSV file, it will show up on the section and a preview of its contents will be shown here on the right side. Next, let's name our data source ds_area_sales. When you're done, click Next to proceed. On this screen, just make sure Chart is selected, then click Next again. On this screen, we will now drag and drop the items we would like to use on our chart. For row items, drag and drop the items year and month. For column items, drag and drop country and region. Lastly, for summary items, drag and drop unit price and selling cost. If you've changed your mind about an item and you wish to delete it, simply hover on the item that you wish to delete and click the trash bin icon. Let's delete country. A preview of the data that will be used for our chart is shown here on the preview pane. You may have noticed that the label for selling price and unit cost are shown in all caps, and that the two words are separated by an underscore. This will not look good as is on our chart, so let's edit them by hovering on each item and clicking the pencil icon. This will bring up the basic item settings pane. Go to the alias field and type unit cost and click OK when you're done. And let's do the same for selling price. On the alias field, type selling price, then click the OK button. Click OK to proceed. In this screen, the wizard wants us to name and pick a specific type of chart. Let's name our chart Area Sales Analysis and choose Column Chart. Click OK to proceed. Now we are asked to pick a location for our chart. First, click anywhere inside the red border to proceed. When you hover over any of these icons, you will notice that the highlighted portion of our dashboard changes. Top half, left half, right half, and bottom half. The red highlighted region indicates the area where the chart will be placed. Since we will include other items aside from the chart later on, let's make our chart occupy only the top half of our dashboard. Click this icon. Next, let's edit the size of our partitions. To do so, click the Edit Layout button in the Item toolbar. You can edit the size of the partitions by dragging this line that separates our top and bottom partitions, up or down. Drag down this line until this text field shows a number close to 60. Lastly, press the Edit Layout button again to finalize our settings. And that is how you create a dashboard chart on MotionBoard.